What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making French toast. Extra thick bread stuffed with cream cheese, topped with bananas, strawberries, and sprinkled with cinnamon and powdered sugar. I'm hungry, so let's get started. For your ingredients, you will need thick Texas toast, cream cheese, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, a half a teaspoon almond extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, strawberries, bananas, powdered sugar, and cooking oil spray. In a mixing bowl, combine the ingredients, whisk, and set aside. To stuff the bread, take a sharp knife and make a slit in the bread starting from the top. You'll then want to stuff the pockets with cream cheese. You can also use flavored cream cheeses such as strawberry, blueberry, or honey. Those are also so good. Soak your stuffed bread in this egg mixture for a few seconds on each side. On medium heat, cook French toast on greased griddle until browned on each side. You will just love this recipe. It's a fun twist to the usual breakfast, and it will also impress your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you next time.